Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Today we're going to make a DIY recipe holder for our HelloFresh recipes. Today's video is not sponsored by HelloFresh, but we've been buying the meals for about 8 months now. We love having fresh food delivered to our house every week and love their simple to follow recipes. To make this simple holder, you'll need a glue gun, drill driver, hardware jig, and drill and driver bits. You also need wood grain stencil, brushes, craft sticks, and chalk and metallic paint. The raw materials will be the back of a frame, piece of wood, an old plaque would work great for this, and one handle. First, paint the wood. This chalky finish paint by Deco Art works well as a base coat because it covers well and dries fast. With the base coat applied, time to add the metallic top coat. We're using a wood grain stencil to make a fun pattern on the front. Again, using the chalk finish paint, dab it onto the stencil. Make sure the stencil does not move. To speed up the drying process, a hairdryer works great. After that dries, finish the stencil pattern. Tip: move the stencil up or down so that you have a more natural looking wood grain pattern. It's very subtle, but we love this wood grain look. Next, decide which handle you would like. We thought this fork handle would be perfect for the kitchen. To get perfectly placed holes, we're going to use the Craig hardware jig. You don't have to use this, but it makes this next step super easy. Then you drill 2 holes and screw your handle into place. Grab the frame back and figure out the placement on the back side. Then hot glue it to secure. And you're done! This is the perfect place for our HelloFresh recipes. And it would also be great for an iPad or tablet. Speaking of HelloFresh, as I said at the beginning of the video, it's not sponsored by them, but we've been using and loving the service for months now. Since we work from home, these meals make perfect healthy lunches for us. One of us can make them quickly, we eat, and then we're back to our projects. And if you want to see more of our projects, please visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And subscribe right here on YouTube, click the bell, and you'll be alerted to all our new videos. And yes, the meal was yummy.